Hello everyone, our loading lessons are continue, and in this lesson we are going to learn roof dead loads. Let's get started. I have already opened our snow load model. So to define the roof dead loads, you need to click Loading tab and Roof dead load button. In this menu, first of all, you have to select the truss. Our model have 3 trusses. You need to select the truss. Let's select truss 1. This number indicates where the truss coordinate is. So this means our truss is began here and finished here. Our truss began 10 meters and finish 30 meters. After that, you need to define the roofing sheet. A lot of sheets are available in MkaPEB. So you need to select your sheeting. Generally, we use sandwich panels or just aluminum roofing panels for steel structures. Also, other sheeting are available. Glass, copper, zinc, polyester, and another options are available. Let's select the sandwich panel. Then, you need to select the sheeting. Some sheeting type has different variations. For example, I am going to select the concrete block. So, different concrete blocks are available in MkaPEB. Let's select sandwich panel. And the program automatically calculates the weight per meter. You can define additional ceiling loads. Ceiling not exist or different ceiling loads are available in MkaPEB. Let's select not exist. And also you can define the solar panel on the left side of the roof or right side of the roof. Then you can change the roof panel loads. Let's change it. Then click Apply Change button. Now we have already defined our middle spans roof loads. Let's see it. Our Show Loads on Structure menu and select Loads on Sheeting. Then I am selecting the sheeting. Then let's click Draw button. Our sheeting type is sandwich panel and its default load is 0.1 kN per square meter. Of course, as we learned before, you can see the loads on secondary members and also loads on main members. See you next lesson.